Okay, so in this video, Abu Layth attacks the prophetic Sunnah, and he does it in the most disgusting fashion by providing quotes, by providing evidences that do not exist. Okay? What he does is basically he finds a hadith that he doesn't like. And it's a hadith that, you know, goes against equality in marriage. And because he's so offended by this hadith, he weakens the main narrator of this hadith. The main narrator is Sulaiman bin Mihran al-Amash, who is a major hadith narrator who's narrated over 500 hadiths in al-Bukhari and Muslim. Therefore, weakening over 500 hadiths in al-Bukhari and Muslim just because he's narrated one thing that Abu Layth doesn't like. Now, that's not the biggest crime. Again, the biggest crime is that Abu Layth is using evidence that do not exist anywhere in order to strengthen his point. So I'm just going to roll the clip.
Maybe he didn't know. This is what he tries to. Other people were very harsh about him. Musa ibn Tarif says he was a kadhab, he was a liar. Abaya ibn Rab'i said he's matruk mutahamun fi dinihi, that he's rejected. Al-Hasan ibn Dhakwan said he's da'if. At the very least, this person is problematic.
Okay, so he provides these three quotes from these three people who have supposedly attacked Al-A'mash. None of them do. These three people do not attack Al-A'mash. In any book of Rijal, you will not find these quotes. They do not exist. So there are two possibilities here. Either Abu Layth is a Dajjal who's lying to you. Okay, if you're a fan of Abu Layth, you should be offended. You should go to Abu Layth and you should ask him for scans. You should ask him for a reference. Or the other possibility is Abu Layth is a Jahil who can't understand basic Arabic. So one of the two. And if that's the case, you shouldn't be taking knowledge from this guy in the first place. Mufti, Abu Layth. So people have been telling me, Farid, don't attack Abu Layth. Let's focus on Sunni unity. How can I have Sunni unity? How can there be Sunni unity with someone who's attacking the Sunnah for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam? 500 hadiths in Bukhari and Muslim, and he is attacking them by attacking this narrator with evidences that do not exist. How can there be unity with someone like this? Subhanallah. How can I stay quiet? How can I stay quiet?